Today we're cooking frog legs.
Come here, little froggy. I need some frog legs for my YouTube channel. Bring your ass here. Give me them frog legs. I'm trying to cook me some frog today. I need to put it on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna use some jalapeno mustard, some raw honey, brown sugar, roasted garlic, black pepper, cayenne pepper, apple cider vinegar, portion sauce, and oyster sauce. Of course, we're not gonna use no salt today because I'm gonna use my Himalayan salt block. We're gonna cook it on there. We're gonna see a little science experiment, see how the taste test, see if it works well. Yeah. Alright, now that you got that in the bag, you're gonna go ahead and pour your marinade inside. You're gonna pour it inside the bag. Try not to waste it. Mix it. Turn it into a chicken?
Yeah.
But it's a frog.
Yeah, so when you cook the frog legs, then it looks like chicken.
Oh, okay, okay.
It looks chicken.
Okay, baby chef. Squeeze all that air out.
No air in food.
No air.
Yep.
The way it sucks it up. It sucks up the marinade better. See that? That's how y'all want that to look. Alright, I got my tomatoes, my lemon on the side, and I'm waiting on my salt, brick to heat up. Then we're gonna get on our way. Okay, now you're gonna grab your lemon and put them on top of it. Oh yeah, that looks good. Mm-hmm. Yeah. For how many minutes? That's much better time. We're gonna shake it now. It looks like it's still a little something. Take it back over. bunch of So what we did was we just flipped it over right now. That's how it's looking so far.
It's one day. What?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take these tomatoes off. Tomatoes are about done. And let the frog legs cook for another 5 minutes on both sides. We should be good. DJ, you cooking it good so far. It looks good.
Yeah.
You gonna try some?
I'm just gonna try the lemon.
Try. Alright, good.
It's gonna be so yummy.
It's gonna be so yummy, DJ.